In this tutorial, I will introduce the menu of options, the profit and loss diagrams for each option, and the possible scenarios. As you know, this platform has both the virtual stock market and the virtual futures market. In the virtual stock market, we may buy and sell shares. We may sell short, which means borrowing the shares from a broker and selling them with the agreement that the shares will be bought back at a later date. And when we buy them back, we say that we buy to cover. In the virtual futures market, we may open long contracts and short contracts. When we open long contract, we say that we buy to open, and when we close them, we say that we sell to close. When we open short contract, we say that we sell to open short contract, and when we close them, we say that we buy to close. The strategies that we use in this market for a bullish expectation, we have in the virtual stock market, we may buy shares, and in the virtual futures market, we may buy to open long contracts. And for a bearish expectation, in the virtual stock market, we sell short shares, and in the virtual futures market, we sell to open short contracts. You have the profit and loss for the bullish strategies. In case of buying shares, we deposit 100% of the current price, and when we buy to open long contracts, we deposit only 5% of the current price. The profit and loss is as follows. We have the share price and the profit and loss. If the share price increases with €1, the profit is €1. If the share price decreases with €1, the loss is €1. Here's an example. Let's say that the stock was traded at €10, and in that time we buy 10 shares and we pay €100. In the virtual futures market, we buy to open 10 long contracts and we pay only €5. Now let's say that the stock is traded at €11. The shares are valued €110, which is a profit of 10%, and the 10 long contracts are valued €10. This is a profit of 200%. The downside of this is that if the stock goes down to €9.5, there will be 100% loss on the long contracts and only 5% on the bought shares. In case of the strategies for a bearish expectation, we may sell short in the virtual stock market and we deposit 100% of the current price, and we may sell to open short contracts in the virtual futures market and we deposit only 5% from the current price. Here is the same. We have the share price, the profit and loss. When the price goes down with €1, the profit is €1. When the price increases with €1, the loss is €1. As an example, when the stock was traded at €10, we sell short 10 shares and we pay €100, which is 100% of the current price. And we sell to open 10 short contracts and we pay only €5. Let's say that currently the stock is traded at €9. In this case, we have a profit of €10 on the shorted shares, and this is a profit of only 10%. In case of the 10 shorted contracts, they will be valued at €10. That would give 200% profit. Now I will present the scenarios. We assume that we have shares and our long contracts, and it is a bullish market and we expect the bullish market to continue. In this case, we hold what we have and we may add bullish strategies. We assume that we have a bullish market and we expect a bearish market. In this case, we may hedge the shares that we have. In this case, we add short contracts, or we may sell them, and if we have long contracts, we can sell to close the long contracts. Additionally, we can have more bearish strategies. In the second type of scenarios, we assume that we have shorted shares and or short contracts. It is a bearish market and we expect a bullish market. In this case, we may hedge what we have. In this case, we add long contracts. We may buy to cover the shorted shares, and if we have short contracts, we buy to close these short contracts. We may also add bullish strategies. In case we have a bearish market and we expect a bearish market, we hold what we have and we may add bearish strategies.